Hi, how are you?
Hello, Alexa. All the better for seeing you. So what have you got planned for us today?
So it's really cool. I'm going to be talking to the UK's leading artists, their forces for change in art. So whether that's innovation, community, environment, I'm going to explore their studios and try out what they do. We're going to start with this incredible duo who make these beautiful installations of glass and light. So I'm actually going to learn how to blow glass.
Oh.
I might make you something and bring it back.
Please do. I need things for the house.
Oh, perfect. Okay, I'll try and work on a vase for you.
Yes, please. A vase would be great.
Okay. Shuster and Moseley, thank you so much for having me here. Firstly, where are we?
We are in our studio where we compose different pieces. If it's for a more residential space or for an architectural space, we'll always do a hang and look at how the light interacts with glass.
If it fits. Sometimes it's too big to hang here.
Where do you get your inspiration from?
We're always interacting with informational light, the screen, the phone, this kind of program light. We wanted to sort of break that apart and give a new dimensional experience of light to generate a kind of atmosphere.
What are some of your favourite shapes and materials to use?
The lens form, fundamentally, which is everywhere.
The UFOs?
The UFOs, yeah, or satellites. The lens is a sort of archetypal object, really. Being able to look into micro world and look into the cosmos and understand what the composition of reality is.
What's going on here?
Here we're just experimenting with how you can use these devices to play with light, how to kind of open light up into its spectrality.
And so a lot of these lenses have come out of other equipment that you've found, or where are the cameras coming from?
A lot of it was collected from my grandfather's collection, and then I sort of amalgamated over the years of my own, and I started deconstructing the camera equipment, so taking out the lenses from both the cameras but also from the enlarger in the darkroom, and then creating these photograms. That was actually where we started using the lab equipment, was just to hold the lenses in place whilst I created these photograms. So I wanted to bring it into installation work, so that was when I started playing with having a light source that was separate, a lens that was separate, and then the body becoming part of that interaction.
What can you tell us about this beautiful piece?
So this is one of our light mobiles. So we take a light source and we kind of tune, we puppeteer the lenses to create these kind of spectral projections. Very fine movements in the glass can really change this projection. So we end up kind of creating like a painting with light.
So we actually start with the glass blowers by exploring the kind of form of the lens. So we integrate flat edges and more ripples, trying to experiment how the lens is going to interact with the light.
Okay, so what's this wonderful boiling hot room?
So we've come to the hot shop, which is where we make glass with James and Katie.
And there they are. Hello, I'm Alexa.
Hi, Katie.
So nice to meet you. I love your shades. They're so cool. Is that like a fashion choice for Vogue, or is it some kind of...
Purple brings out
wish. Okay, I wish. They were like, okay, we've got Vogue today, guys. Let's get the glasses up. So, are you going to show me how to make some glass?
Yes, absolutely. So James is going to demonstrate making one of Ed and Claudia's lenses, and then you're going to actually have a go at the glass blowing yourself.
Excellent. I feel like I'm going to be mediocre at that. Do I get to wear a snazzy sleeve as well?
Yes.
It's not dissimilar from like a hawk coming to land.
Exactly the same. Exactly the same.
Yeah, we get our gear from the same shop as the hawk guys. Oh my God, wow. Oh. Do you ever make pizzas in there? It's a shame it's too hot to touch because I really want to squidge it.
This is just wet newspaper.
Yeah, it's starting to look lensy. Oh, that looks fun. I bet that feels nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah, dude, I don't think I could have done that. I appreciate that you believed in me. See, that is like so hypnotic.
Yes.
It's mesmerizing.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh my God. Fun.
You're just going to hit it.
Hit what?
Hit your light. Just going to hit that there. Ready?
Here.
Yep, go for it. Just like
Oh my God, Rounder's back. I told Edward that I was going to blow glass, so I've now forced Katie into showing me how to do that. And also because I got to wear my cool sleeve, these shades, got my hair up, I'm ready to go. Ah! I'm scared. I'm actually scared.
Okay, so you're going to pick up the paper.
Paper.
That's it.
Paper.
That's it.
Is it wet enough?
James will put some water on it for you.
Thank you, Master.
Okay, so this hand can come behind mine.
Yeah.
We're going to keep it rolling. This hand's going to come underneath.
Yeah.
And we're just gently lift it off and back on. Beautiful. Put that down. Move yourself all the way down that end for me. Okay.
Yeah.
And below. Keep it turning. Stop. And tap that.
What?
Yep, hit it.
Oh, like...
Beautiful.
Oh, okay. Why is glass sustainable?
Well, we actually make use of all of the sort of excess glass. You saw the piece that was in our studio hanging, so we make use of all of those chunks and break them up. And so always all of the glass that sort of breaks or gets left over is kind of inspiration for the next artwork.
There you go.
Gorgeous.
Very first
That's
glass.
absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful workshop and artistic journey with me. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.